Welcome back to the channel. We're thrilled to have you with us today as we explore stylish and functional ideas for combining your living and dining areas. This is especially relevant for those with open-concept homes or apartments, as well as individuals seeking to maximize the potential of a shared space. Open-concept living is becoming increasingly popular, as it promotes a sense of togetherness and can make a smaller space feel larger. One of the main challenges when merging a living room and dining area is ensuring that each zone is clearly defined. This can be achieved through various strategies that maintain an inviting and cohesive atmosphere. Let's begin with layout and zoning. Creating a successful living and dining room combo starts with understanding how to delineate each area without disrupting the overall aesthetic flow of the space. Here are several effective techniques to achieve this. Furniture placement. The way you position your furniture can greatly influence how the spaces are perceived. For instance, placing a large sofa or a sectional can naturally create boundaries between the living and dining areas. Likewise, using side tables or console tables can help mark the transition while offering practical use. Area rugs. Rugs are an excellent tool for defining spaces. Consider using a larger rug under the dining table to anchor that area and a distinct, complementary rug in the living space. This not only visually separates the two zones but also adds texture and warmth to the overall look of your home. Lighting styles. Different lighting choices can also play a critical role in establishing boundaries. A stunning chandelier or pendant lighting above the dining table can draw attention to that area and create a distinct dining atmosphere. Meanwhile, softer ambient lighting such as floor lamps or wall sconces in the living area can foster a cozy, relaxed vibe. Decor elements. Incorporating specific decor items can also enhance the sense of space. Consider displaying a statement piece, like an art installation or a tall plant, to create a visual divide. This adds character while maintaining the open flow between areas. Color schemes. Choosing a cohesive color palette can unify the two zones while still allowing for differentiation. For example, select complementary colors for your upholstery and dining furniture. This strategy can tie everything together harmoniously. Functional furniture. Multifunctional furniture pieces can also be a game changer. A stylish storage bench or an ottoman can serve dual purposes, providing seating in the living area while offering extra storage for dining essentials. By applying these techniques, you can transform your living dining space into a stylish and functional area that enhances your home's appeal. Join us as we delve deeper into specific examples and additional tips to create an inviting atmosphere that meets both aesthetic and practical needs. Let's get started. Now let's delve deeper into the importance of style and color coordination in interior design, particularly when we have interconnected spaces like the living and dining areas. A consistent color palette can significantly enhance the visual flow and harmony of these spaces. By selecting a uniform range of colors, you create a cohesive look that not only feels inviting but also emphasizes the relationship between the two areas. Neutral tones such as whites, grays, and beiges are not only classic but serve as a versatile backdrop that can adapt to various design styles and trends. These colors can help to create an airy and spacious feel, which is particularly beneficial in smaller homes. However, incorporating bursts of color can inject personality and vibrancy into the spaces. Consider using vibrant throw pillows on your sofa or brightly colored chairs to add character. Wall art that reflects themes from both areas, whether it be through shared color schemes or subject matter, can serve as a focal point and visually tie the two spaces together. In addition to color coordination, the functionality of your space is paramount, particularly when it comes to storage solutions. Choosing multifunctional furniture is a wise strategy for optimizing space and maintaining order. For instance, a stylish sideboard can be used for storing dining essentials while also displaying decorative items that relate to the living area. This approach not only saves space but also adds an element of interest to the decor. Open shelving can be another great addition, especially if you want to showcase decorative pieces such as books, plants, or unique artifacts. By arranging these items thoughtfully, you can establish a visual connection between the living and dining areas, contributing to a unified look. Furthermore, consider the layout of your furniture. Arranging pieces in a way that promotes flow between the two areas can enhance functionality and encourage movement throughout the space. Whether it's using area rugs to define separate zones or strategically placing furniture to guide the eye from one area to another, planning the layout is essential for achieving a harmonious design. Ultimately, style, color coordination, and smart storage solutions contribute significantly to the overall ambience and functionality of your interconnected living and dining areas, making them not just visually pleasing but also practical for everyday living. When it comes to lighting, it's essential to create a layered approach to enhance the ambience and functionality of your space. Adding various light sources not only helps illuminate the area but also establishes different moods for different occasions. For instance, a chandelier or a pendant light hanging above the dining table can be an eye-catching centerpiece, drawing the eye and spotlighting that key area for gatherings and meals. This not only serves as a practical source of light but also adds an aesthetic element that can reflect your personal style, be it modern, rustic, or eclectic. In addition to overhead fixtures, incorporating floor lamps or wall sconces can introduce softer and cozier lighting options into living spaces. These additional layers of light can create a warm and inviting atmosphere, perfect for relaxation or socializing. Positioning floor lamps in corners or beside seating can make spaces feel more intimate, while sconces can frame artworks or architectural features beautifully, enhancing the overall aesthetic. Accessories play a huge role in making a space feel lived in and personalized. Wall art, for instance, can express your personality and interests, acting as conversation starters for guests. Indoor plants not only add a pop of color and life to your decor but also promote a sense of well-being. They can purify the air and create a connection with nature, enhancing the overall atmosphere of your home. Curated decor pieces, like books, sculptures, or unique finds from your travels, can also contribute to a sense of identity and character in the space. However, it's crucial to strike a balance. Overcrowding your space with too many accessories can lead to chaos rather than the cozy atmosphere you desire. Minimalism in decor is often advantageous in shared areas, allowing each piece to breathe and be appreciated on its own. Well-placed items that reflect your style will go a long way in creating a harmonious and inviting room. A few thoughtfully chosen pieces can create focal points, while keeping the overall space uncluttered and visually pleasing. So whether you're working with a small apartment or a spacious open floor plan, combining your living and dining spaces doesn't mean sacrificing style or comfort. In fact, with smart design and thoughtful decor choices, you can effortlessly create a beautiful, functional area that truly feels like home. One effective way to maintain style while combining these areas is to choose furniture that serves multiple purposes. For example, consider a dining table that can double as a workspace or a coffee table with storage options. This not only saves space but also allows for easier transitions between activities throughout the day. In terms of decor, incorporating a cohesive color palette can help unify the two spaces. Opt for shades that complement each other, whether you're using neutral tones with pops of color or varying shades of the same hue. Textiles, like cushions, throws, and table runners, can also bridge the gap between the living and dining areas, bringing warmth and texture. Lighting plays a crucial role as well. Utilize a combination of ambient, task, and accent lighting to create a welcoming atmosphere. A statement chandelier or pendant light above the dining table can serve as a visual anchor, while strategically placed lamps can enhance the living area. As you lay out your space, think about flow and accessibility. Ensure there's a clear path between the two areas to avoid clutter and make movement easier. Arranging your furniture to create distinct zones while still keeping them open to each other can promote a sense of cohesion. Lastly, don't be afraid to showcase your personality through art and accessories. Curated wall art, family photos, or even plants can add visual interest and make your combined living and dining space feel inviting and uniquely yours. Thanks for watching. If you found these ideas helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more home interior inspiration. We look forward to bringing you more tips and tricks to enhance your living space. See you in the next video.